Good morning. I love this. My grandma got me this right before she passed. She knew I was having a baby, and she got me this warm and fluffy robe. We are going to make the best smoothie for breastfeeding and postpartum. I'm going to drink it for breakfast on the go. So I am in my last trimester. Baby could come at any time. And I want to start prepping some things for quick meals. Again, I'm going to use this for breakfast, but this can be used at any time. As a registered dietitian, fueling is so important. I know that our energy needs are up when we talk about breastfeeding, but even if you're not breastfeeding, talk about healing, you want proper nutrition. So I'm going to show you how I put all that in a smoothie. That way it's kind of like I can drink my nutrients. Sometimes you need that. You want to make life easier. And we talk about, oh my gosh, I'm breastfeeding, I'm so hungry. You got to make sure you're eating enough. So come with me and let me show you one of my favorite smoothies. It's going to be the best smoothie if you really like berries, because I love mine so it tastes fruity. Let's go. I wanted to give a close-up from the ingredients. I got them all from Aldi or Trader Joe's. Aldi has my favorite frozen fruit blends, hand down. As you see, this is a great source of vitamin C. This is the cherry berry blend. And it actually says perfect for smoothies, snacks, all the above. But just giving you some of that nutrition facts there. But vitamin C, we have fiber, antioxidants right within here. And then I like the plain Greek yogurt. Well, I like vanilla, but they were out of vanilla. So I got the plain. One thing about plain though, it doesn't have a strong taste, so you can add to it. So that's what I really like about this. And just getting that serving size, it gives me 15 grams of protein. And then some organic chia seeds from Trader Joe's and 2 tablespoons is going to get me a great source of omega-3s, some fiber. Again, we're all about reducing inflammation, staying full, giving energy. And these are the rolled oats that I get from Trader Joe's. The serving size for this is a half a cup, but I do 1/4 a cup. So that's the only difference with these. So just blending. I saw this tip where to blend, if you don't like a grainy type of smoothie, to blend your rolled oats first by itself. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to blend those to get more like a powder consistency. So that way you don't have that grainy smoothie. So if you didn't know that, here is a quick tip. And you just blend it by yourself first for a little bit. I just blended it on high and then broke it down. It really didn't take long at all. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my ingredients in. Now for my blender, I like to make sure I have the frozen berries kind of in the middle, because what happens is if I put like the yogurt and stuff at the bottom, it'll stick to the top of the blender. So you have to find the right mix. But I'm going in with my Greek yogurt, then the chia seeds. You can measure it out, the 2 tablespoons. But I've been doing this for so long that I'm just going to pour it in there. But again, if you want to measure out, that wasn't 2 tablespoons. I'm not doing 2 tablespoons today. But if you want to measure it out, there is nothing wrong with that. And then this is a Nijya Smoothie blender. So it has like a smoothie button where it just kind of pauses until it gets to the right consistency. We are done. Now, I like my smoothie thick. Sometimes I stop it ahead of time, depending on how much liquid. Oh, and I forgot, I did almond milk for this, and I did about 8 ounces. So here is another smoothie day. I want to share 2 ways that I do this. So I'm going to go ahead with the normal ingredients, blend everything, but I added some fresh blueberries. So I have a frozen mix, but I had some fresh blueberries that were going to go bad soon. So you can't go wrong with adding more. So I just want to share how, again, you can kind of switch this up when you're busy. Add some of that. And then I also added some sugar-free coconut syrup, and it just gives it more of a tropical taste. And I use water instead of almond milk. So just a quick way to switch it up, because I don't know about you guys, but I get bored with my meals. So this is a great way for when I'm busy with baby to still kind of switch up and not feel like I'm bored and have to eat a certain style. Now, don't spill everything like I did. It was a little hectic this morning trying to film this smoothie. So this is just round 2. So you're getting 2 smoothie recipes in one. tastes so good. Now remember, because of the nutrients, this is nutrient dense. We have berries, we have our carbs, and we have our protein. We have things such as fiber. We have antioxidants, omega-3s. This is gonna be great nutrition-wise for those who are breastfeeding or even not. So make sure you have enough energy. A lot of times, now, this is my first time breastfeeding, but a lot of my moms that I work with, they're always so hungry, they're not eating enough, not getting enough nutrients, they're just snacking. So this is why this smoothie is gonna be really good. Postpartum, I cannot wait right now. I am in the 9 months, and baby, I'm tired. So this also just gives me energy. Cause it's a quick breakfast, and I'm gonna run some errands today, and now I have my breakfast in, and I'm ready to go. Let me know what you think. Also, sustainability. So if you saw, I had some berries that I mentioned that were going bad, just throw those in there. Any extra fruit, a lot of times I just throw in my smoothie if it makes sense, because I don't like nasty smoothies. I like mine to be more tropical and fruity, so you'll see that. So you see I didn't add anything green, and I'm still getting the nutrients. I just don't like the taste that it does, so I'll eat my greens later. I hope this helps. Like, comment, and share, because you know I got you guys.